this is a line or broken line of storms. I mean, pretty much any time we get a line or a broken line of storms, there's going to be a chance of some gusty winds up to 60 miles an hour, and that's strong enough that they could be a little damaging to maybe some tree limbs and things like that. And then up to quarter-size hail, which is as small as severe hail can be. Of course, that is very impactful, but hail has to be quarter-size or larger for a storm to be considered severe. So that's why we have a 2 on a scale of 5 from DFW to the north, 1 on a scale of 5 south of there. Quiet at the moment besides just a few passing showers. Remember, this is a severe weather threat for the vast majority of you is going to be late tonight after midnight. It's already begun for portions of Oklahoma and will begin for portions of Kansas as well. That's where the higher severe weather threat resides this evening and tonight from central Oklahoma and up through Kansas. But here in North Texas, we'll wait for that line of storms I just showed you to kind of fill in, and that'll or develop as this front moves in, and that'll happen later tonight. So here's 10 o'clock. You can still see how not a whole lot going on, but between about 10 to midnight, some thunderstorms to get going across western, northwestern North Texas. Here comes your line of storms, 2 a.m., 3 a.m., 4 a.m., 5. So if I said 2 to 6 for DFW. If I was to narrow that down even further, I might say more like 3 to 5 in the morning when this round of storms moves through. Some gusty winds, some hail possible. Everything will be moving quickly to the east, though, as we head through the morning hours. And by midday, probably more so mid to late morning, all of North Texas is dry at that point. The sun comes out and actually be a pretty nice Halloween afternoon and evening, and cooler behind that front as well. So here's to kind of recap for you. Between now and midnight, it's warm, it's breezy, it's humid. Some scattered showers or storms, not impossible, but anything that's out there, a very low severe weather threat. Then from midnight to 6 a.m. for DFW, remember a narrower window than that. That line or storms or broken line of storms move through. Some of those could be strong, severe with some wind and hail. And then from 6 a.m. to 10 a.m. tomorrow morning, showers and storms move off to the east. They'll be turning dry and breezy as that cooler air moves in. And by the time you and the kiddos are trick-or-treating tomorrow evening, it'll be really nice. 72 at 5 o'clock, close to 70, maybe upper 60s at 7 o'clock, and then 67 by 9 o'clock tomorrow evening. But the rain will return. 70% coverage Saturday, 50% coverage Sunday. Another front moves in sometime Monday into Tuesday. So it's a 60% coverage on Monday and a 40% coverage on Tuesday. I know Tuesday is election day. We'll keep an eye on that. It looks like as of now, it might be more morning rain on Tuesday, but that storm system could speed up or slow down. So we'll continue to keep an eye on it. What I do know is basically over the next week or so, it's 2 to 3 inches of rain across the area, which we absolutely need given the fact that drought has returned to North Texas. Thunderstorms are likely tonight, but remember that doesn't mean all of you will see severe weather. It's a 90% coverage of storms, but that doesn't mean a 90% coverage of severe weather. But I suspect there will be some storms with a little wind and hail at times tonight. 63 to low, quickly ending rain tomorrow, 74 for the high tomorrow afternoon, back up to 79 on Friday. Upper 70s to close to 80 as we head through Saturday and Sunday. We talked about the storm chances Monday and Tuesday of next week. That's a little stronger push of cool air. As you can see, highs is in the low 70s Tuesday afternoon, Wednesday afternoon, and a mixture of upper 60s to low 70s over that second week of the 14-day forecast, or second 7, I guess I should say, of the 14-day forecast.